Is EU bullish or it is turning bullish? Well, let's find out. Uh, yeah, it's not the end of the trading week yet, but hell, we had a pretty bullish week. So we have a bullish engulfing on the weekly. And it seems like we could have some more buy action. Now, to where and why and how, let's find out. In terms of liquidity, what we have is this double top here at the moment, right now. We have this supply, weekly supply zone here with imbalance, weekly and daily. We have also this double top up here. And that's it in terms of liquidity. So let's mark it out. So liquidity up. Return dot, and there's liquidity here. And now liquidity here. Okay. What happened in the last 2 weeks was just taking out liquidity. So there was this month and a half of consolidation, grab of liquidity from the stops, grab of liquidity from this trend line here. So if you make a trend line roughly like this, and now a pretty bullish action here. So on the daily chart, there wasn't much internal liquidity created on this move down, and there is not much liquidity created on this move up here. So the idea is, or we go just higher from lower time frames, supply demand zones to tap into this weekly supply, or just run through this weekly supply and this weekly supply, this equal highs, and tap into this imbalance, so get into the premium zone of the price above 50% of this entire move down to here. So let's mark it out. This is the move down, and the 50% is just above the next weekly supply zone. I believe that the price, if it's making a sustained break, so that a daily candle will close above this supply zone, the price will continue to go higher to take this liquidity and tap into the last buy to sell that left imbalance open based on the weekly time frame. So this is the last buy that was broken by the sell and left imbalance open. So this is the extreme of this move up. yeah, let's follow the price. If we get a daily close above on this weekly supply zone here, then I am pretty bullish on EU. If not, we could see just a tap into the supply zone and sudden reaction to the downside. Then we will the price will most likely continue to the downside. Uh, if you look to the weekly chart, as you can see, it's bearish, and we are printing lower highs, and for now higher lows. So it's in a compression state. This was the last impulse move up, and the very complex pullback. But let's not get that far back into the price, and let's focus on what's happening here. So, as I said, on the daily, the price with this move up took liquidity from these highs, then a sudden move up that took liquidity from these lows, and now most likely it will continue higher. So let's jump into a lower time frame. This is what I have plotted based on the 15-minute chart. There was also a Wyckoff distribution here. So two supply zones based even on a smaller time frame. And yeah, the first one was mitigated. Then we can take out these lows here, go higher, tap into this supply zone or 15-minute order block to then make a pullback on this weekly bullish candle. And yeah, the price could just retrace to this weekly, week-to-week demand, or mitigate the 50% of this entire move up. So these are two options. This is a weekly, week-to-week buy zone. Or if we take the entire move up with the FIP, yes, a pullback here. Or this is another daily week-to-week demand zone from here to here to then go higher. There's a daily imbalance here, so I'm expecting the price to move into this discounted price zone to then continue higher. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, click the thumbs up or the like on YouTube. And if you want to follow me along, make sure to check my YouTube channel. And until the next one, bye bye.